Does this hotel have one of the best views of Leicester Square's famous film premieres? Well, we stayed here during the launch week of Spider-Man, and honestly, if we checked out one day later, we'd have had a great front row view of the red carpet right from our hotel room window. Victory House Boutique Hotel is located right in the heart of Leicester Square, placing you just a short walk from London's famous West End theatres, Covent Garden, Soho, Chinatown, and of course Oxford Street for shopping. For our stay, we booked Junior Suite 605, which sits right at the very top of the hotel. As soon as you walk into the suite, you're greeted by a table and two chairs upholstered in beautiful velvet fabric. But the real star of the room is the window. It overlooks the Odeon Cinema in Leicester Square, making it the perfect place to watch all the excitement if there's a film premiere taking place. On a clear day, you can also spot some of London's most iconic landmarks. Next to a full-length mirror is the bathroom, which is accessed through a stylish glass-panelled door. The decor follows the hotel's elegant black and white colour scheme with fully tiled walls, a toilet, generously fluffy towels, and a vanity mirror that's ideal whether you're shaving or applying makeup. The walk-in shower features both a rainfall shower head and a handheld attachment, with complimentary toiletries provided. Near the entrance, you'll find hooks for hanging coats or bags, along with the fire evacuation information. The hotel has both lifts and stairs, although we did find the lift a little slow and clunky during our stay. Like many hotels, the room's electricity works using a key card inserted into the slot by the door. One little detail we really liked was the wooden effect room key cards, which added that boutique feel to the hotel. We happened to visit during one of London's summer heat waves. Although the room does have air conditioning, unfortunately it didn't seem powerful enough to cool down the suite that much. Thankfully, the hotel had also provided a fan, which definitely helped a little bit, especially as the windows don't open. Moving in the bedroom area, you'll find tea and coffee making facilities, including a pod coffee machine and a selection of twining teas. The welcome information also includes useful details such as breakfast options, hotel facilities, and the standard check-in time of 3 p.m. and check-out at 11 a.m. Below the drink station is a cupboard containing a small safe, storage spaces for shoes or luggage, and a mini fridge. Complimentary bottled water was included, and during the hot weather we found the fridge incredibly useful for keeping our drinks cold. The bedroom itself centres around a comfortable double bed positioned beside a distinctive circular window and a large picture window behind it, both offering fantastic views across Leicester Square. Victory House embraces a classic movie theme throughout the hotel. Black and white films are projected along the corridor walls, and inside the rooms you'll notice vintage touches, including an old-fashioned telephone and artwork that celebrates cinema history, giving the hotel plenty of character. Either side of the bed, you'll find bedside storage, plug sockets, and lighting controls. There are plenty of power outlets throughout the room or speed charging ports. During the day, the suite is flooded with natural lighting thanks to its huge windows, while ceiling spotlights provide plenty of lighting once the sun goes down. A flat screen television is mounted opposite the bed, and complimentary Wi-Fi is included throughout your stay. Although, if we're being honest, we hardly watched any TV at all. Instead, we found ourselves constantly looking out of the windows, watching the crowds below as preparations were underway for the Spider-Man premiere the following day. It was fantastic seeing the staging, barriers and excitement gradually coming together. For us, the view alone makes this room worth considering. That said, there are a couple of things worth mentioning. The corridors throughout the hotels are quite dark, which certainly suits the sophisticated boutique atmosphere, although it might not appeal to everyone, especially families travelling with younger children. On the positive side, every member of staff we met was friendly and welcoming. As we mentioned, we were celebrating our daughter's birthday. They even surprised us by decorating the bed with rose petals before we arrived, which was a really thoughtful touch. Overall, Victory House Hotel is an excellent choice if you're planning to see a West End show, explore central London, or simply want to stay right in the middle of all the entertainment. And if you haven't managed to book theatre tickets in advance, there's even the famous TKTS last-minute ticket booth directly opposite the hotel in Leicester Square, making it easy to grab discounted tickets on the day. If you're looking for a boutique hotel with an unbeatable location and some of the best views over Leicester Square, this could definitely be one to add to your London shortlist. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video and comment. Thanks for watching. Bye!